welcome to Michael's Heartfelt AI, a writer's journey. Thanks for stopping by to visit. I am trying to write an urban fantasy romance novel, and I'm picking up all these AI tools along the way that are helping me get farther than I've ever gotten before. I mean, I've been trying to write it what feels like my entire life right now, over 10 years, maybe 11 or 12, and I'm, telling my meaningful story through my novel, and I'm trying to figure out how it works, and I'm just loving all the AI stuff that's come along this year because it's so empowering. I've got ADD, I've got all these issues with writing and learning how to write, and AI is just filling in the gap for so many things to help me do that. I'm not about, letting the AI write everything for me. I'm big on authenticity and making AI, augment your writing in ways that are powerful and effective, and that's what my channel's about. And, I heard a story, a long time ago, there was a guy I knew, and he said, when people are trying to communicate with you, you can categorize all the communication they're doing into two categories. One is they're trying to give you love in what they're trying to communicate, and the other one is they're trying to get love from you. And when AI came along, it can be so scary and everything, and you just forget these things, but that stuff is still true. And when we use AI, we can give love and get love from people in the ways that it enhances our communication. And so on this channel, I'm wanting to talk about all different things AI. It's a motivated topic for me. So, and I'm wanting to use AI in positive ways for good that help the world. I've got this 3H model that I'm trying to develop right now. It's 3 H's. You can use AI in hurtful ways and then in helpful ways, but then you can jump to the next level and use it in heartfelt ways. And this is the Heartfelt channel for AI. And I'm just, encountering stuff as I go on my writer's journey, trying to write my urban fantasy romance with shapeshifters in it, and so many great applications for writer's block, or figuring out how to structure a scene, or figuring out, editing and grammar. Man, there's just so much to explore, and I love talking about it, and I hope that this is becoming a positive thing instead of a negative, fearful thing in the world, because there's so many ways we can reach out to and help and love on each other with this technology. Yesterday at Christmas, one of my kids gave me a present at the launch of my channel here today, and it's this little thing here, without access to a huge bank account. They made me a little tiny pipe cleaner set with a little keyboard and this little tiny thing. I thought it was a bug at first, but it's a mouse, and it's kind of like my Heartfelt AI YouTube channel. So yeah, I just want to do heartfelt things with AI, and when. It's one thing if you find helpful things about AI, but it's a whole nother thing when you need something to express your heart and soul in a way that not only loves on yourself therapeutically as you go through the process of writing, because writing is so therapeutic, especially when you're writing about things you're passionate about and you're struggling with, and things that are close to your heart. But not only loving to yourself, but other people have gone through that too, and when you share your work and engage with the world, you love on them as well. So it's like a win-win, love type scenario, and I think AI is something that is really bringing that to a greater possibility for so many people who have tried to write, express, and create things, and they just keep hitting their boundaries. And now, if you haven't checked, you add AI and you can go so much further. So I hope you'll join me on this channel in trying to use AI for good and to continue to contribute to make the world a better place. Thanks, y'all. Hope you enjoy my channel and the different things we got